Hi friends, my name is Abhinav and I am studying in class 8 of Near School Common. And now let us discuss some multiple angles. The first one is sin A is equals to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2, which is also equals to 2 tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square. Hi friends, my name is Abhinav and I am studying in class 8 of Near School Common. And today let us discuss some formulas of the submultiple angles. The first one is sin A is equals to 2 sin A by 2 into cos of A by 2 and 2 tan square A, which is also equals to 2 tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. And the second one is cos of A is equals to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2, which is also equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2, which is also equals to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. And third one is tan A is equals to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A by 2. And the last one is cot A is equals to 2 cot A by 2 by cot square A by 2 minus 1. So first let us discuss the proof of sin A is equals to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2, which is also equals to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Tan square A by 2. Proof of sin A. So I am going to take A by 2 plus A by 2 in the place of A. So again if we add it becomes as 2A by 2. 2 to cancel, again the answer is A. So since the value doesn't change, I am taking A by 2 plus A by 2 in the place of A. So it becomes as sin of A by 2 plus A by 2. Sin of A by 2 plus A by 2. We know the formula of sin of A plus B is equals to sin A means sin A by 2 into cos B cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. So it becomes as 2 into sin of A by 2 into cos of A by 2. Sin of A by 2 into cos of A by 2. So we can write. So now I am going to multiply and divide sin A by 2 with cos. Multiply and divide sin A by 2 with. So now I am going to multiply and divide 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 with. So now I am going to multiply and divide cos A by 2 with 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. So it becomes as 2 into sin A by 2 by cos A by 2, which we know that sin by cos is tan. So it becomes as tan A by 2 into cos A by 2 into cos A by 2 becomes as cos square A by 2. So now from here 2 tan A by 2, 2 tan A by 2. Now I am going to write cos square A by 2 as 1 by secant square A by 2. Secant square A by 2. Since the reciprocal of cos is secant. So we know that secant square A by 2 or A is equals to tan 1 plus or tan square A by 2 plus 1. So now I am going to substitute that here. So it becomes as 2 into 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. 1 plus tan square A by 2. In the same way you can also find the value of cos A by substituting the value of cos A by A plus A by 2 plus A by 2. By substituting A by 2 plus A by 2. So now let us discuss the proof of tan A is equals to 2 tan tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. 1 minus tan square A by 2. So we can find this value in the same way, that is, in place of A we have to substitute A by 2 plus A by 2. So other than this, there is another method. So let us discuss the second method, that is, we can write tan A as sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. And so now let us learn the proof of tan A is equals to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. We have two methods to find the proof of tan A. The first method is, in place of A, substituting A by 2 plus A by 2 and applying tan of A plus B formula. And now let us discuss the second formula, because we have already discussed the first formula. So in second method, I am going to write tan A as sin A by cos A. Here we know that sin A is equals to 2 tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2 by, and I am going to substitute 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2 in place of cos A. 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Sorry, minus 1 plus tan square A by 2. So here 1 plus tan square A by 2, 1 plus tan square A by 2 gets cancelled, and tan A is equals to, tan of A is equals to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. 1 minus tan square A by 2. So in the same way you can also find the value of cot A. So for finding cot A, there are three methods. The first method is writing A by 2 plus A by 2 in the place of A, and the second method is, in place of cot A we have to write cos A by sin A, and the third method is, we can write cot A as 1 by tan A. So here you have to apply 1 by cot A, and in place of tan you have to just substitute 1 by cot A, then you will get the answer cot A is equals to 2 cot A by 2 by cot square A by 2 minus 1. So now let us discuss some standard results of multiple and submultiple angles which help us in solving problems. The first one is cot A minus tan A is equals to 2 cot 2A, and the second one is cot A plus tan A is equals to 2 cosecant 2A, and the third one is sin 3A by sin A is equals to 2 cos 2A plus 1, and cos 3A by cos A is equals to 2 cos 2A minus 1. So now first let us discuss the proof of cot A minus tan A. Cot A minus tan A. Proof of cot A minus tan A. So we can write cot A as 1 by tan A minus tan A. So it becomes as 1 minus tan square A by tan A. So now let us multiply and divide it with 2. So it becomes as 2 into 1 minus tan square A by 2 tan A. 2 tan A. So if you observe properly, this is in the form of cot of A. This is in the form of cot of 2A, because tan A, we know that tan A is equals to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. And so let us write 1 by cot 2A in the place of tan 2A. So it becomes as 2 again 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So now let us take cot 2A to the right hand side and 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A to the left hand side. So it becomes as cot 2A is equals to 1 minus tan square A by 2 tan A. So it is also in the same form. So we can write cot A minus tan A as 2 cot 2A. 2 cot 2A. So here you can also find the value of cot A plus tan A in the same way, but in the place of minus, just so you can find cot A plus tan A also in the same way, which we have discussed in cot A minus. So we can write the, we can also, so we can find the proof of cot A plus tan A in the same way as we have done in as we have done to find the proof of cot A minus tan A. And the third one is sin 3A by sin A is equals to 2 cos 2A plus 1. So before going to this one, let us know some formulas of multiple and submultiple angles. We know that cos 2A is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So from this, sin square A becomes as 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Sin square A is 1 minus cos 2A by 2. And we know that cos 2 is also equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. So from this, cos square A becomes as 1 plus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A by 2. 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So now let us get into the problem. Proof of sin 3A by sin A. We already know the formula of sin 3A, that is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 4 sin cube A by sin A. So if we take sin common and cancel it with the denominator, it becomes as 3 minus 4 sin square A. 3 minus 4 sin square A. From this formula, sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 1 minus cos 2A by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So it becomes as 3 minus 2 plus 2 cos 2A. From this, the final answer is 2 into cos 2A plus 1. 2 into cos 2A plus 1 is equals to sin 3A by sin A. So in the same way, we can also find the proof of cos 3A by cos A. Cos 3A by cos A, we have to apply the formula of cos 3A and take cos common and cancel. So if we simplify that, we get the answer cos 2A, 2 cos 2A minus 1. So now let us discuss another some standard results. The first one, if alpha is equals to 60 or 220 or 240, then sin theta into sin of alpha plus theta into sin of alpha minus theta is equals to 1 by 4 sin theta, and cos theta into cos of alpha plus theta into cos of alpha minus theta is equals to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta, and tan theta into tan of alpha plus theta into tan of alpha minus theta is equals to tan of 3 theta. So now let us find the proof of sin theta into sin of alpha plus theta into sin of alpha minus theta. So sin theta into So in the place of alpha, let us substitute 60. So sin theta into sin 60 plus theta into sin 60 minus theta. So this is in the form of sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So here it becomes as sin theta into sin square a minus, we know that sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. So sin 60 plus theta into sin 60 minus theta is equals to sin theta into sin square 60 minus sin square theta. Sin square 60 minus sin square theta. So we know that sin 60 is root 3 by 4. So we can write root 3 by 2 whole square. So it becomes as 3 by 4 minus sin square theta. So if we multiply it with sin theta, it becomes as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 4. So we can write it, so it is in the form of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So hence we can write it as 1 by 4 into sin of 3 theta. Sin of 3 theta. So hence it is proved that sin theta into sin of 60 plus theta into sin of 60 minus theta is equals to 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. So in the same way, if you substitute 120, you will get the same answer, and if you substitute 240, you will get the same answer. So in the same way, you can also find the value of cos theta into cos alpha plus theta into cos alpha minus theta by applying the formula of cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, and similarly tan theta into tan alpha plus theta into tan alpha minus theta also you can find. By here you have to apply the formula of tan of a plus b into tan of a minus b. Then you will get the answer tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta. This is all about today's video. Again, let us meet in the next video. So till then, bye.